Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port board on the Xiaomi Redmi 10 mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed to the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup. And then insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and then undo 5 screws to take out the camera lens with the frame. Next, undo 11 screws on the mid frame. Next, take out the SIM tray. Next, disconnect the fingerprint button flex. Next, using a plastic car pry tool, create an opening to separate the back car frame. Be gentle and work around the edges to disengage the plastic clips. Take out the mid frame and then disconnect the battery plug. Next, gently pry out the speaker cover from the body. Next, disconnect the antenna head and LCD connector cable from the charging port board. Next, gently pull out the not working charging port board from the body. Next, place and secure the new charging port board on the body. Next, connect the antenna head and LCD connector to the charging port board. Next, secure the speaker cover. Next, secure the fingerprint button flex connector. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, secure the mid frame on the body. Ensure the clips are fastened on the frame. Next, add the SIM tray. Next, secure 11 screws on the frame. Next, place and secure the camera lens frame by adding 5 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.